Welcome to the LinkedIn tutorial brought to you by SDCEO and Black Hill State University. In this tutorial, you will learn what LinkedIn is not, how to build a professional profile and a company profile, and how to optimize your performance on LinkedIn. What is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a professional social networking platform that is used as a tool by businesses to connect with potential clients, customers, experts, fans, other businesses, and future employees. There are over 135 million business professionals on LinkedIn that want to connect. By building a LinkedIn profile, you can showcase your education, experience, and talents. A LinkedIn business page displays your company's description, news, products, services, and job openings. LinkedIn utilizes your professional relationships and the reputation built by your company. These relationships define your reputation. LinkedIn allows you to keep connected with people even when they change jobs and email addresses. These connections can help you connect with others and help others connect with you. What LinkedIn is not. LinkedIn is not Facebook. It is not a social media where you post your private information such as personal pictures and updates about your personal life. The similarities between the two social medias is that you can use Facebook to demonstrate your talents and showcase your business, but it does not connect you with other professionals as LinkedIn can. LinkedIn shows you how you are connected to other professionals in and out of your market. You can search for people who you would like to connect with on LinkedIn. Then LinkedIn will show you if you both might know someone who can connect you. LinkedIn is not a customer relationship management platform, or CRM for short. Most of your contacts will be on LinkedIn, but not all of them. Social media cannot be used as a CRM because people using social media are connecting with friends and they have the control over their data. In the opposite, CRMs gather data based on what you may know about customers and saves it to a database for your business to use later. We will build two profiles, a personal one and a business one. We will begin by going to the LinkedIn homepage at www.linkedin.com. To create a LinkedIn business profile, you will need a personal profile. A personal profile is where you will connect with other professionals directly. You need a personal email address for this. Start by filling out your name, email, and password on the homepage. Make sure the password is more than 6 characters long and is composed of letters and numbers. Then click Join Now. Next, LinkedIn needs to know more information about you, such as where you live, your zip code, your employment, your job title, are you self-employed, and the companies you work for. Then click Create My Profile button to move on. LinkedIn will then search your contacts on your email address you provided. This will start your professional network by identifying others you know on LinkedIn. Click Continue. Then enter your email and password. You will then receive a confirmation email. LinkedIn is able to share to Facebook and Twitter. This is a great idea for businesses because anything that is posted on your LinkedIn profile, business or personal, will appear on the other social media. To do this, click the Share On button and fill out your Facebook and Twitter account information. After you have shared with the other social medias, choose the basic package for your LinkedIn. Now that we have your profile created, here are the steps to improve your profile. Your profile must be completed and up to date. A LinkedIn profile controls your identity online. This profile allows other LinkedIn professionals to connect, communicate, and collaborate with you. A 100% profile needs a photo, an executive summary, skill sets, education, 3 recent positions, and 3 recommendations from your connections. You can finish this at another time, but now that we have your personal LinkedIn account complete, let's start a business profile. To start a business profile, click the company link in the navigation bar. Then click the Add Company link in the top right hand corner below the navigation bar. You will be brought to the Add Company page. Type your company's name in the box provided and your company's email address. You must have a company email address at the company's website in order to launch a company profile on LinkedIn. You may not use a Gmail or Hotmail account for a company address. It must be you at your company's URL. After clicking Continue, you will receive an email at your company's email address. In this email, you will receive a link to activate your company's profile. After you have clicked that link, you will be brought back to LinkedIn. You may have to log in again. Then LinkedIn will bring up a confirmation screen confirming your email address. Click Confirm. After clicking Confirm, your company page will appear. Now your company's profile is created. You will need to add details about your company. Start with the description of your company. The information will only show the first 9 lines of your description, so make sure the most important information is towards the top of the description. Next are the page admins. If you are going to be the sole administrator on the LinkedIn page, then you will not need to designate users. If you are planning on having more than one content editor, then you will need to designate those users as administrators. Do not forget to add yourself to that list. From there, you will add data on your company. You'll be able to place the company's type, the company's size, the company's URL, the company's industry, operating status, and year founded. Next is the company's specialties. These are keywords on what your company can provide to people and for search optimization. The overview is the first thing someone sees when they look at your LinkedIn company's profile. This is where status updates are located, employees, the description of your company, and some other general information. The most important part of the overview is the status updates. This is where you can communicate with other followers and keep them up on the company's news. Things you can place in the status updates are links to other sites or your site, your blog or other blogs, or videos. These status updates appear in your followers' stream. The next thing we will talk about is the product tab. This is where you show what your company specifically does. This tab can showcase your products or services with images or video, generate social recommendations, link products and services back to your website. Before adding content to a product and service tab, think about which product or service is most important. The first content placed in the product and service tab will be the first displayed. This can be changed, but not until you have 6 items in the product and service tab. It's a good idea to organize this beforehand. You can add content by clicking the yellow button in the middle of the screen if there is no content. If there is content, the blue drop-down button next to the Edit button at the top right hand of the screen will have an option for adding content. Next, choose if it is a product or service. Select a category for the product or service. Write what the product or service is called. Add an image or photo. Add a description. Add a link that connects back to your website. Add contacts from your company that viewers can send questions to. Add a promotion for the product service. List key features. Add a disclaimer if relevant, and add a video to display your product or service. Make sure you have a URL connecting your profile to your website. Describe your products and services in full detail. Make sure your company description is detailed as well. Add as many products and services to the product and service tab as you can. Use call to actions in your products and service descriptions. Make sure you add pictures and videos to optimize your products and services. And request recommendations from people you know. These recommendations are the social proof to show people that others enjoy what you provide.